If a girl genuinely loves you, then she'll express it. Maybe she won't say anything. Maybe she won't be able to do anything for you, but it can be seen in her actions. Girls usually don't propose first. They wait for the guys to propose them first. But one cannot hide love. It can be clearly seen. That's the way girls cannot hide their love for longer. It can be seen through their possessiveness, their jealousy, their actions. They all express their love in one way or another. Every girl has her own way of loving. Her way of handling relationships vary. Some girls like something and some like another. No one is perfect. Every person has their own flaws. They'll fight with you, they'll get irritated from you, but no matter what, if a girl genuinely loves you, she won't ever give up on a relationship until or unless you make her do it. She will never step back from spending her whole life with you if she gets an adequate amount of love from you.